Here's a walk around of my 2003 CRF 230F. It's a little bit rough, but hey, what do you get for 800 bucks, eh? I didn't do all the damage to these handguards. They're just, I got those off my old bike, my first bike. Really beat the shit out of that thing. Yeah. She's got brand new tires on it. Well, they got a few rides on them, but practically brand new. I'll do a cold start here for you. Haven't been ridden today. I know this is dumb, but it's cold. So, my gas is on. Put the choke on here. Turn my key on. I'll turn the choke off here real quick. I was gonna find it. Oh, there it goes. Let her warm up here for a bit, and then I'll do a couple revs for you. As you can see, it's a Honda. It runs good. Yep. There it is for you. I'll do a couple quick revs. Well, there you go. She's got, I know it says Pro Taper, but it's actually Renthal bars. Here, I'll take it off for you for a second here. See, it's got Renthal bars. I'll do a couple more revs. You can hear it sounds pretty good. Okay. That's it.